Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog with your girl Monica. Lip balm. I think that's mine or Caitlin's. Ask Caitlin. So anyways, we are going off to therapy right now, and then we're gonna come home and chill. So let's go. I'll meet you over in the car though. Bye. Oh my God, is it windy?
My shoes. What? Here, Cheez-Its.
All right.
Let me put right here.
All right, guys.
Yeah, there is none except for crimes. You're fat ass ate all the hot Cheetos. I eat all the fucking hot Cheetos, bitch. You ate 2 packs of hot Cheetos, bitch. 2 bags, and I had them with fucking soups. That's a lot. Yeah.
Mine.
Smells good.
Oh, it's chilly willy.
What's this part? For your lip.
All right. Because you're not doing it right, Haley. I mean, Caitlin.
How do you do it? It's broken. Oh, it's supposed to be too.
So windy. Honey, press it and push it in and then let go.
I am, and it's not.
Jesus.
God damn, it's cloudy.
And we are off to a red light.
Can I try some?
What? Yeah? You know what I forgot?
What?
My cell phone.
You wanna go back?
No, because we're running late. Anyways, guys, I'll see you when we get there. So, bye. We're here for therapy. Oh, they're dark as hell, so they can't really see you. For one, it benefits her to be dark.
Which building?
This one right here. But I'm gonna park right here.
The way home, I get the front seat. No. Yes.
All right, little munchkin doodles, we're here. I'll see you guys when we're back in the car on our way home because I can't really record inside. So, love ya. Oh my God, this hair is everywhere.
Yeah,
So we're back home, guys. I was super tired. I got home, took everything off, except my microphone, and just ran to bed and crawled in there with my husband and my daughter, and I knocked out. Oh.
You wake up for a million years later.
Yeah, I know. It was
so. You
so.
sleep with your loved one, it makes you live longer.
I know. I do sleep with my loved one, my baby. Gilbert's out here protecting you. He don't sleep in there when you guys are here. When you guys are not here, then he sleeps in there with me. But you think he's gonna let you sleep out here by yourself next to the door? No. Yeah. So, But anyways, guys, thank you for coming me to my daughter's therapy. It was fun. Me and my daughters had fun. And now off to do my diary series. And with that being said, I love you.
You took it. You tripping. You took it.